snap onto a box, wooden top. Junk drawer, flaring kit, new files, plier drawer. Look at the drawer liners. Snap-on wanted ridiculous prices, so made my own. Sockets, majority snap-on. The new limited edition gold ratchet, pretty cool. New 8¼ inch, all that. Spanners, ratchet ones, just normal ones. I'm only a paint sprayer, so don't need ridiculous amounts. Screwdrivers and torques and mini ones. Electric screwdriver, this is good, this. Handy. Pry bars, files, multimeter, power beating hammer, snap on. Makita impact driver. Got a drill somewhere, I just don't know where it is. Battery powered grinder. Electric drill, Makita one in there. It's new bit set, spark. £15. Gumtree. Pretty good. Red drawer, decided to drive into it before I painted the box to fix it. Cheers.